Hello friends, I am Dr. P.K. Dalal, Professor and Head Department of Psychiatry, King George's Medical University, Lucknow and President of Indian Psychiatric Society. This message is regarding COVID-19 pandemic mental health issues. In this period of social distancing and lockdown, a number of mental health patients are unable to reach the mental health professionals, and the public at large is also very much stressed out. Through this message, we want to mitigate some of their concerns. At this juncture, mental health patients can be categorized into three types. First are the patients who are already on medication but cannot reach us because of the lockdown. They are advised to use telephone, WhatsApp, or emails to reach their mental health professionals, who, on their part, are also advised to gear up to respond to the needs of mental health patients through telemedicine. The second category is of emergency patients suffering from acute psychosis, catatonia, mania, depression, or substance use withdrawal. They are advised to go directly to emergency psychiatry OPD services in government or private setups where they can be treated. The third category is of patients suffering from common mental disorders like stress, anxiety, phobia, insomnia, depression, adjustment disorder, and substance use disorders. They can be advised to seek help from mental health professionals through telemedicine. The patients can get the contacts of mental health professionals through print and electronic media. There are mental health issues with the general public at large as well, like uncertainty, fear, stress, anxiety, adjustment problem, and depression. They can also have general questions in their mind as how to adjust with the lockdown and how to pass time in this period. They are encouraged to follow a routine of 8 hours sleep, balanced diet, regular exercise, yoga, and meditation. They are suggested not to get bogged down by the information overload regarding COVID-19 pandemic. Instead, they should visit only the government website, and that too once or twice in a day. Those who are living with their family are encouraged to pray together, eat together, and play together. They can also indulge in their hobbies or develop new skills. Those who are living alone, away from their near and dear ones, are encouraged to virtually meet and greet them through social media. Even then, if the general population at large is feeling stressed out, they can reach out to the mental health professionals through telemedicine. The special population of children and adolescents, elderly and disabled, may require extra attention for their mental health issues. People involved in the essential services should also be looked after and given mental health support when they require. Last but not the least, healthcare workers who are dealing directly with COVID patients may require special mental health support and encouragement. Friends, finally, with this message, I want to instill a feeling of hope that we will get over this ordeal in due course of time, and till then, we should fight this COVID-19 pandemic unitedly. Thank you. Long live IPS. Jai Hind.